Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you what to do in case your sound on your iPhone does not work properly or does not work at all. So first of all, make sure your sound is turned on, then drag down this setting bar and make sure it's on here as well. If it still doesn't work, also make sure your silent mode is turned off. So basically the switch for it is on the side of your phone, so switch it up. So now it's silent, switch it back. And now it is not. So make sure it is not in the silent mode. If it still doesn't work, let's go to settings. Then we scroll down and try to find the accessibility button. We press on it, and now we need to scroll down a bit and find the audio and visual button. We press on it and find the balance slider. We have to make sure it's balanced, not to the right, not to the left, just balanced. But if your sound still does not work, I'm pretty sure it can be connected to one of your audio devices, maybe your wireless headphones. So let's drag it down once again and try to turn off your Bluetooth. So now hopefully your sound is back and working well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video.